Did you know that across OECD countries, over half of students worry about struggling in math? Many feel tense, nervous, or even helpless when faced with math tasks. As math teachers, we hear phrases like, "I'm just not good at math," far too often. But why does this happen? More importantly, what can we do to change that narrative? The good news is, math anxiety isn't a permanent condition. I truly believe that with the right approach, we can help make a change. The challenge is not just about mastering content. It's about helping students develop resilience and a mindset that failure is just another step toward learning. Through practical strategies, we'll explore how to create a positive and empowering learning environment, one that encourages growth, resilience, and confidence in every student. Let's work together to build a classroom where every student feels confident in their mathematical journey. Let's begin.